Here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Getting published in a Scopus-indexed journal isn't just about good research. It's about how clearly and convincingly you tell your story. Every strong medical research paper begins with a sharp, focused question. Something specific, relevant, and backed by a real gap in existing literature. Once that foundation is set, your title and abstract become your first impression, and in many cases, your only chance to hook editors and reviewers. A powerful abstract isn't vague. It briefly shows the problem, your method, key findings, and why it matters. Then comes the backbone of your paper, the IMRAD structure: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Your introduction should feel like a funnel, moving from a broad problem to your exact objective. The methods section must be crystal clear, because in medical research, reproducibility is everything. If another researcher can't replicate your study, your credibility takes a hit. In results, don't just dump data. Highlight what truly matters using clean tables and figures. Let your findings speak logically, not emotionally. But the real game changer is the discussion section. This is where average papers become impactful. Don't just restate results. Interpret them, compare them with existing studies, explain contradictions, and most importantly, show the real-world implications. Editors look for significance, not just statistics. Also, be honest about limitations. It builds trust. Now here's where many fail: referencing and journal selection. Scopus-indexed journals are strict about formatting, citation style, and ethical compliance. One small mistake can lead to rejection. Always follow the journal's author guidelines like a checklist, not a suggestion. And never underestimate plagiarism checks. Originality isn't optional. Finally, before submission, revise like a critic, not a creator. Read your paper as if you're the reviewer. Does it flow? Is it clear? Is it valuable? Because at the end of the day, publishing isn't just about adding a line to your CV. It's about contributing something meaningful to the medical world. And when done right, your research doesn't just get published, it gets noticed.